Alright, so right now we just put one medium-sized chili pepper in the glass. What you want to do, you want to drink it. You want to squeeze some lemon juice in it like this. Alright. Put that straight inside of it like this. I get 2 cups, put it inside of it. I'm gonna put another 2 more. Alright, so that's what you wanna drink before you go to your bed at night. So what you want to do, you cover it for a few minutes and let it dissolve. Alright? Yeah. Just a few minutes. But what I want to say to you guys, this drink is a drink for really good for detoxing of the body. Alright, so if you never drink anything like this before, honestly, this is just a drink where you want to try at home. It's something different, something fantastic, and an amazing chili pepper. Alright, let's give it a try. Give it a go. Very good for weight loss and also good for the body. Alright, all of these natural ingredients is also very good, guys, because people been using them over the last decade, so they're still good up till today. Alright, so just give it a few minutes for the pepper to dissolve into the water. Yeah, that's looking good. And that's what you want to do. Alright, you want to make sure you do it just like this. And that is fantastic and amazing. Alright, guys, you just want to give it a few minutes and then, yeah, you can drink it. Alright? Yeah, that is just a beautiful one. Alright. Yeah, that's it. Right there. Beautiful, nice, and also delicious. Alright? And that's exactly what I'm talking about right here in the kitchen from Chef Ricardo. As you can see it for yourself, that is just amazing, guys. Look at that. Beautiful, nice, and delicious. Alright? Yeah. Yeah, man. That's exactly what me I talk about. Yeah. So you want to drink this before you go to your bed at night. Alright? Yeah. Alright? It's just a beautiful one. And it's something different. So what we're going to do is pour this into this glass. Alright? Alright, so that's what exactly what you want to do. And then what we're going to do right here is drink this. Alright, that's exactly what you want to do. You want to drink this before you go to your bed at night. Nice and lovely. And it got lemon in it and it got the cloves in it. Alright? Yeah. That is lovely. Really nice. Really nice, guys. Honestly. 100%. I'm telling you. That is fantastic and amazing. And the thing with the pepper, it helps to kill bacteria in your tummy. All right, just like how you use bleach to clean your surface. So that's the other way you spin it around, and you have to clean your tummy. All right, look at that. That is lovely. Really amazing. Delicious, fantastic. And it's just one of these kind of drink where you want to drink, guys. Honestly. Look at that. Yeah. Fantastic and amazing. Lovely and delicious. Yeah. This does help to clean out your inside immune system and detox in your body. Because sometimes you have to detox your body. Yeah, you have to sometimes, guys. It's a must. Yeah. It's just an amazing drink. Trust me. Beautiful one. I love it. Really amazing. Fantastic and delicious. And as I say, you can do your own research, guys. You know what I mean? It's just easy one for you to do your research. Just Google what's the benefit of. You can type in what's the benefit of pepper. Alright? I'm using the chili pepper, not scotch bonnet pepper. God, I want to be burned out, you know. Give you a heart attack. You don't want to drink that one, guys. Yeah, trust me. Alright, so you just stick to this one which we know about. Alright, chili pepper. Not too bad. I got chili pepper cloves and some lemon. Really nice. Yeah, well, as I can see, guys, this is exactly what I'm talking about right here. And I'm just gonna drink after all of this now. And 100% definitely you guys will love that one. Alright? 100%. Definitely you guys will love this one. Yeah. Beautiful one. Look at that. Yeah. Wow. That is amazing. Fantastic and delicious. Alright. Anyway, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. And as I said, we will definitely give you some more ideas and recipe where you guys definitely can make at home. Alright. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in. And I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Alright. Tell a friend and a friend to tell a friend. Alright. And as you can see it for yourself, that's how we normally do it in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Alright? Yeah, man. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, that's how we normally do it. Alright, guys? Yeah. Nice. Hot though. Really, really, really hot, guys. Trust me. Really hot. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice. And delicious. Alright? So, yeah. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. See you next time in the kitchen. Bye-bye.